Hey, good morning everyone. This is Jeff from Gmaxim Ltd. Ayan, nasa Lidok po tayo to clean this carpet. As you can see, yung carpet ay sobrang madumi. Ayan. So not because dahil madumi silang tao, pero yung landlord itself ay hindi nagpapalinis ng dryer vent at ng kanilang air ducts. Yan. Kaya yung carpet ang nagsasuffer ng mga dust at mga lint. Even here. Ayan. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung makukuha natin after the agitation, okay? By the way, we're using this CRB or counter-rotating brush for this work or job, and the truck mount outside. So we are expecting best result possible, okay? Yan. Pakikita natin sila. Yan po. Ganyan kadumi ang carpet ng bahay na to. Okay? Okay, yan po yung nakuha natin in 5 minutes. So yeah, just remember, yung carpet sa bahay nyo ay nagsiserve as a big filter sa entire house ninyo. So if you don't clean your air ducts in your carpet, magiging ganti siyang yung carpet ninyo. So yucky, right?